Hi everyone, this is question number 19 in chapter 2. So we are given a curve y equals to 4x cubed minus 2x squared plus 5. We have to find the first and second derivative for the curve when x equals to 2. So this one we have to substitute to give us the specific value. So first of all, from y equals to 4x cubed minus 2x squared plus 5, let's do the dy dx. So we have 12x squared minus 4x and followed by the second order of derivative. So we have 12 times 2, 24x minus 4. Therefore, when x equals to 2, we can find the value of the dy dx. That will be 12 times 2 squared minus 4 times 2. So 2 squared is 4, 12 times 4 is 48, 48 minus 8, that is 40. And the second order of derivative, we will have 24 times 2 minus 4. So 48 minus 4, we have 44. That's it. So we found the answer for our first and second derivative when x equals to 2.